Hi, this is Becca and I'm with Sunflower Summer Company and I'm going to show you how to make this daisy. First off, you're going to need to cut out the pattern. You can find this at sunflowersummercompany.com. This one is the daisy pattern. We need 2 of the flower, 2 of the leaves, a circle, it doesn't matter what color the circle is, the steeple, and the center. You're also going to need floral tape, 18 gauge floral wire. Mine is paper covered. It saves time. You're going to need something small and round. This is a polymer clay tool. You're also going to need a smallish ball from the Heartfelt Creations rolling mat set. What is this called? Needle nose pliers, scissors, and hot glue gun. First off, you're going to take your scissors and your pattern and you're going to roll or curl in the petals. You're curling it just like you curl a ribbon. And I'm just using the edge of the scissors. Okay, next you're going to take the small ball and your rolling mat and you're going to roll just at the edge where the petal meets the center of the flower. So you're going to roll around the outside just to get the petals to stand up. Next, you're going to take your small round tool and you're going to take your center and you're going to roll your center around the small round tool. It could be a little bit difficult getting it started, so be patient with yourself. Okay, so now you are going to glue this little flap down so it doesn't come unrolled. I just use a tiny bit of hot glue. I use an ultra low temp hot glue gun because pretty much as soon as it comes out of the glue gun, you can touch it and you will not get burned. I was able to put glue on my finger and I still didn't get burned directly from the hot glue gun. Didn't feel good, but I was able to do it. Next, you're going to take the second piece and you're going to glue it on the outside. And you're going to roll both pieces, or this piece on top of the other one. You want to make sure the little cuts are in the same direction. Now you're going to glue this part on. You're next going to take your circle and glue it to the bottom. This just helps it stay rolled together. You're next going to flare out the center. You want to get it nice and fluffy. Then take your two petals and glue one inside the other, alternating the petals. See how the bottom petal, this top petal is between the two bottom petals. You're then going to take your center and glue it into the flower. I like to roll my fingers together and just push it down in there a little bit to make sure it sticks up. We're then going to take the leaves and our scissors, and we're going to go straight down the middle and crease, or give it a crease. Close our scissors back up and curl the outside of the petals or the leaves a little bit. Curl the tip. You want to make sure you curl the petals and the leaves to give it a more realistic look. You then take the steeple and the large ball, I forgot to mention that, and you roll it up. Take your floral wire and cut 2 small pieces about 1 inch long. Those are for the leaves. I like to bend it a little bit. And glue the leaves on top. Then take your floral wire again and curl the end into a circle. Fold it over. Take this, thread it through and all the way up to the curled end. Glue underneath it, stick it through, stick it in the glue, and then I like to glue on top of the wire too, just to make sure it's nice and stuck on. Remove excess glue. Put way too much glue on it. Okay. Now you're going to take your leaves and your floral tape, break off a little piece, take one of your leaves and about an inch to an inch and a half below the flower, tape it on. But you only do a little bit, just enough to hold it on. Take the other leaf, stick it on the other side, and then tape away to your heart's content. And there you have it, a daisy.